What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. So today we're going to be going over something that I think is really cool, and a lot of you guys probably don't really know about it because it's relatively new. Now, if you guys haven't heard of Manychat, it's a really cool software that you guys can use, especially in 2018, to build your brand outside of Amazon and also to get your initial reviews for your product. Now, you're probably wondering, like, how can I apply this to my business? Well, it works through Facebook ads, and basically how it works is once people like message you on Facebook, once you integrate Manychat with your Facebook ads, people are going to be able to subscribe to your well actually when they message or when they click on your ad, it'll automatically subscribe them to your page or your brand. So if we're doing Angleizer Rulers and our company name is Andy's Anglizers, and then we have a Facebook page for that, as soon as they click on our ads for that product, which we should already be doing, they'll be automatically subscribed, and we can also message them later down in the future on Facebook through Messenger for doing things like reviews or giving them coupon codes, etc. So it's a very powerful tool, and literally like overnight I was able to sell like 10 or 12 units just off of doing a simple Facebook ad and without even optimizing it or anything. And I was basically doing like broad audiences and stuff. Of course I was narrowing it down according to my niche, but that's the power of doing these things. Like literally, if you're able to do this right, or if you're able to just generally get a decent audience for your product on the for Facebook, for doing Facebook ads, you probably don't even need a launch service. In all honesty, like right now I sold more units today than I wanted to. I sold 35 today, and I think in revenue it was like $768. Now that is a little, that's a lot of FBA fees. It's like over 200 bucks in FBA fees. I didn't mean to do that much, but I forgot to like the sales came in too quick, so I forgot to cut off like the Manychat the Manychat software, so it didn't keep sending them out coupon codes. So once you guys get it set up, it's a little bit of a long process to set it up. You might run into some things along the way, but if you guys want, I can create a video on it. But this is very, very useful. In Manychat, it's not that expensive either. It's like 10 bucks a month, I believe, for like 5,000 subscribers or something. So it's very, very useful, and with this whole review thing going on with Amazon right now, with people having their reviews deleted and people trying to incentivize reviews, it's really easy to grow your brand outside of Amazon and then try to get reviews based off of those customers or subscribers that you already have. So even down in the future, when you come out with later products, you can also reveal that to them because they're already subscribed to your page, and they'll be willing to buy it as well. So it's a very, very powerful tool, and it worked way better than I expect. Like literally, I'm supposed to be giving away like 32 or 33 units per day for my product, and literally I spent like $4.17 for my ad, and I automatically got like 33 subscribers for my Manychat or my brand page on Facebook, and I also got like the 35 sales for my product, and I got the $768 in revenue. Now, of course that all isn't profits. That's not all the exact revenue that I made, because now we're giving them 95% off coupon codes, which is what you want to do when you do your giveaways. The higher your coupon codes percentage off is, the more units you're going to be able to give away, the more eyes you're going to be able to catch when you're doing these Facebook ads, or if you're using any type of giveaway service. So it's a very, very, honestly guys, you need to jump on this because not a lot of people know about it, and a lot of people are just trying to do the old-fashioned way of getting reviews. And if you're going to be able to get all these subscribers and stuff for your brand and come out with different products in the future, they're going to be able to help you out with reviews in the future as well when they buy those products. And worst comes to worst, if Amazon does something dumb where they kick your brand off of Facebook, or they delete your listing, or they delete your brand or your listing off of Amazon, you can always carry that out through Facebook on another media platform, because over the years you're going to be able to build it up using Manychat. So it's a very, very powerful tool. So I can create a video for you guys if you want on how exactly to build it or how exactly to set it up. There's other videos on YouTube as well. They're probably better at explaining it than I am. But you just have to tell me down in the description or down in the comment section down below what you guys want to see. But as of now, I cut it off because I don't want to sell too many units. Like literally, I sold 35 with the 95% off coupon code. And then once you hook up Manychat with your Facebook ad, just do like a picture ad. Just do a picture or a picture of your Amazon listing for your product, like and then you can edit that in Canva. In my previous video I showed you guys exactly how to do that. It's really easy. So you just take your picture of your Amazon listing picture, like the main one, and then you go to Canva, you upload it on there, and then you take one of the tags. You can literally search a tag on there and then put it on your picture and put 95% off. It's pretty cool. I really like it. And it's going to basically just catch everyone's eye when you're starting to run these Facebook ads. But like I said, I literally just spent like under $5, and I was able to get this many coupon codes out, and that's great compared, like 35 coupon codes for under $5. And then you're talking about like ZonJump, which is like, I think it's like $1 or something like that per coupon code. So yeah, if you think about that's a really good deal that you're getting there. Now of course, with giveaway services like ZonJump or Viral Launcher, it's probably going to be more consistent because Facebook, of course, you don't know exactly how how much people you're going to reach. So today I might get 35, tomorrow I might get 20, next day I might get 30 to 40, something like that. So it's not very consistent, but I wouldn't depend on it as an actual product giveaway service. That's why I still probably do ZonJump. I just use ZonJump in combination with Facebook, and then with Amazon PPC, and then of course have your initial reviews. And another reason too as well for the whole review thing for Amazon is if you guys have like if you have, like, generally what people say is you should get a review for every 10 sales or so, or that's how to keep it safe. Like if you're getting a review for every sale that you get, then Amazon can easily track that and be like, okay, all these people that just bought this product are obviously incentivized to do a review, so we're going to remove it. So basically I got 35 sales today, so I'm basically just going to get like 3 reviews, somewhere around there, maybe 3 to 4, and I'm gonna see if I can inch my way up slowly up to 5 reviews. And then from there, if you guys don't know, I'm using a video review for one of my reviews. So that's going to hopefully change the whole game for my product listing. But with that being said, I'm going to keep you guys up to date on all the stuff that I'm doing now in Manychat. You guys definitely need to check that out. Definitely start using it. It's very powerful. Just remember that once you get it set up and everything, you do need Zapier and Manychat. Zapier is basically where it's going to take your coupon codes out of like a Google sheet that you downloaded from your Amazon Amazon Seller Central account, and my past video showed you guys exactly how to create coupon codes. And once you download them and put them on there, it's going to automatically distribute those codes per person that clicks on your ad for Facebook through Manychat. And it sounds kind of complicated, and it's a little bit of a longer process to set up, but you can probably literally do it in maybe like 2 to 3 hours or something like that. So definitely you guys should check that out, and I'll keep you guys up to date on everything that I'm doing now. This is pretty awesome. Just remember, once you set it up, to cut it off once you hit your desired amount of sales, and I say cut it off relatively early than you think you should, because people, even if you cut off the ad, people can still click on your listing or click on your ad because somebody might have shared it, or they just randomly find it and then order the product, and then you get charged the FBA fees for giving all the coupon codes out, and then you're just paying for the FBA fees, etc. So what I'm trying to say is, like, I got the $768 in sales today, but I did the 95% off coupons. So really, I'm only making like $1.20 or something like that off of each product. So I'm really only making, I don't know, like $40 or something based off of that. So with that being said, guys, make sure you like down below, make sure you comment and tell me what you guys want to see next. Manychat is an amazing tool that you guys should start using now, because it's going to help spread your brand outside of Facebook. And since Amazon doesn't have like a subscriber basis or subscriber type of platform, using this tool through Facebook is going to help you grow your brand outside, and that's what we want to do. That's what we want to do for the long term as well. So make sure you comment down below what you want to see, if you want me to do a Manychat setup video. And I have plenty of templates down below for you guys to get started with Amazon. You know, you don't have to do this Manychat thing now. It's an awesome tool that you guys can use. And Facebook is an amazing tool that you guys can use along with Manychat. It's way cheaper than doing any type of launch service. But I have templates down below how to get started with Amazon FBA, how to talk to suppliers, negotiate, and how to do your product listing and differentiate, etc. So with that being said, I'll see you guys tomorrow morning.